Welcome in, everybody. Join Sonia and Randy. Magnificent here in St. Mary's, Ohio. I think we're in St. Mary's, but we're heading there at least. Oh, got some traffic coming. We've missed you guys.
Yeah.
We haven't been out in forever. Oh. All right. I gotta get set up yet. Hope everybody had an amazing winter. It was cold as could be here in Indiana. So we're finally getting out and about. Feels good. This little mini iron bridge, it's like a little mini iron bridge. It's kind of cool. I know, first throw.
Nice.
We already got something.
Yeah. Good metal.
Looks solid too, yeah, it does. And Randy got a new rope too, on the side of the road. Free rope. That's good. Uh-oh, Randy's pulling his dandies already. We just started. Oh man, I gotta get untangled, guys. All right. 1 hour later, finally got my rope untangled. I swear. Randy got a whole magnet full of spikies. Nails and spikes and another pole of some sort. Pipe, I guess, not a pole, whatever. All right. So I think I can finally throw it now. My first throw here in this, is this the St. Mary's River, right? This is the St. Mary's River. And we're heading to St. Mary's, Ohio. Dang. Oh, whew. I don't know if I was on something or if I was stuck. I might got something on there my first throw. Maybe. Not sure. I don't really feel much heavier. No, I didn't. Well, get anything in my first throw. I did not get anything. What on earth is this thing? Oh, shoot. What the heck? Got like gears or it's probably a car part, right? Of some sort. What do you guys think it is? Ooh, Randy's got something, guys. I just got some. We think it might be like a shifter, like on a riding lawnmower or something. Let me know what you guys think. Oh, he's got something heavy. Oh, what is it? I can't even see it yet. What is that? Looks like an auger.
Try and get it up over this.
Geez, oh Pete, what is this? Jeez, that thing is heavy.
That's a camshaft, crankshaft or something. A tractor probably.
Oh, so kind of like the one I just got over there,
Yeah.
but a bigger version.
Exactly.
That's probably what I couldn't get earlier. Oh my gosh, car parts for days here, guys. That thing is heavy. All right, guys, well, we're back. We made it somewhere else. Now we're in the actual downtown of St. Mary's. Canal's down there. And supposedly it goes all the way down this way to a 40-acre pond. Literally, it's called the 40-acre pond. It was huge. Fun fact about St. Mary's, Ohio is there's this lake here. It's called the Great Lake. And it's literally the largest man-made lake in the whole wide world. The whole world, not just like the United States, the whole world. So that's pretty cool. I don't know if we're gonna have time to visit it today, but maybe next time we come to St. Mary's, we might have to go there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Did I get something my first toss? No, I did not get anything my first toss. Got some nails. Some spikies. Let's see if Randy gets anything his first toss. Here in the old Erie Canal, the Caro Chiles walk path. And nada? Or did you get some? Nope. Nada. All right, well, let's keep on tossing. All right, so this is where we're at. Little history here. The Miami and Erie Canal, guys. That's what it was called when I was having my space case moment there. But yeah, looks like there's lots of mills here back in the day. 1847, 1860s, grist mill, woolen mill, whipstock factory. Fire destroyed several mill buildings, but not the original. Huh, but yeah. So interesting. Here's some of the education of this area. I gotta go catch up with Randy before he starts fishing without me. All right, see you guys when we get to where we're gonna stop. Whoa! This is cool. Whoa, whoa, whoops. Ah. Dirt, dirt. Durka, 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 Sonya. Bakalakadaka Street. So, well, we're gonna take a try. I actually feel like we're in another country, actually, magnet fishing in a canal. Anyway, guys, just got a knife. What is? That is a nice one. Oh, that's kind of cool. And a ball peen hammer. A decent little knife. Clean that up. I could use it. Hammer, knife, nice. Let's throw it right back out there. See what else I can find. Shoot. Oh, it is a fishing pole. I got it. Ooh, I did. Ooh. Wow. Look at this thing, guys. Yo. Oh, I even got a bonus little thing. I don't even know what any of this says. Ew, so gross. Look! The ice fishing pole? Oh. Cool! That took me a while to get it. It kept wanting to fall off. That thing's grody, huh? Alright guys, come with us as we walk over here through this canal. So I think on the other side is an actual boat that used to be, you know, run through this canal. Echo! Randy! Ah! Yes, this is a magnet fishing adventure, guys. Randy said it. Yeah, I'm on third shift now, so I'm going on no sleep. It's my Friday, so you know. He said, let's go Magnificent. Hey, there's the boat. I said, let's go. There it is, guys. The Canal Lock Canal boat. Wow. Oh, there's that bridge. There's that memorial covered bridge right there. Wow. So yeah, we followed our history to come to this place, guys. You know, there was 2 or 3 wars here, battles in the 1700s and the 1800s. There was a couple of forts that used to be here. And this is just so cool. Honestly, this is so cool. Wow, so cool. Man, he couldn't wait, could he? He just couldn't wait. All right, guys, hold up. Let me get my stuff around. Well, Randy said he did have some. Ew, it's got that icky black bottom. Yummy. Randy said he had some, so let's see if he gets it. Let's see if he gets it. Well, and here's a little more history of this area we're in here. Wow. I did not even know all that. Huh. Interesting, huh? So we're gonna go over here now to this little bridge. We didn't get anything over there by the cool canal. They probably clean it out, you know. All right, guys, so we made it to the Bloody Bridge. Woo! So, supposedly back in the day, some rivalry between 2 guys for the love of 1 woman turned into hatred, and somebody cut somebody's head off with an axe. And this is supposedly a haunted bridge. Whoa. Urban legend says if you're here after sunset, you might see a headless man ghost thing walking around. Kind of creepy. So, anyway, that's definitely something interesting that we just learned. Bloody Bridge. It's even got its own memorial to it. Kind of crazy. Wow. I think this is like the straightest I've ever seen a river. Look how straight it is. Like there's no curves. Oh yeah, I forgot. It was part of the canal. I forgot. Yeah, you're right. My bad. They made it this way. Pretty shallow. Not very rocky on the bottom though. At least not over here. Did you get something first toss? What you got? Rebar? Or what is it? Is that rebar? Yep, it is a little piece of rebar.
Bloody Bridge.
That's the bloody rebar from the Bloody Bridge. Woo! Randy's first toss here in Rockford, Ohio. We're on our way back home and found this little town on the way. So we thought we'd stop and check it out. Alright, I got some. Oh my gosh, I think I got another tool. Yep. Woo! I got a pry bar. I got a pry bar. This one's actually better than the last one I got, because the last one I got was broken right here. And I actually scrapped it. Maybe this one might be a oh, maybe not salvageable. I might just broke it. I think I got something. Oh, yes, I do. What is that? What is that? Looks like the world's largest slinky. The spring slinky, slinky. Sunflower boy, girlfriend, a boy, however the song goes, because I don't remember. That's a weird looking spring. Or coil, or whatever it is. Oh, ew. I've never gotten nothing like that before. Huh. And of course, more nails. More dang nails.